Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show the battery percentage on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you'd like to know exactly how much battery life remains on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, you may want macOS to display the percentage next to the battery symbol in the menu bar. In this video, I will show you how to do it, how to show the percentage beside the battery icon on your MacBook. So first, as you can see in here, my battery percentage is not showing. If I want to see this percentage, I have to click on the battery icon. So you can open the system preferences on your MacBook and go to Docks and Menu Bar. Click on Docks and Menu Bar. From here, from the dock and menu bar, you can just scroll down and click on battery. And in here, you can see there is an option, show in control center, show in menu bar. If you click on check this on show in control center, so the battery status will be shown on your control center, and you can show the percentage by click checklist on here. And now you can see on the battery icon on the menu bar, there is the percentage beside the battery icon. So simple, right? So that is how to show the battery percentage on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.